At IMC on day 2, the theme is manage. We start with 3 wrap talks, from innovative ways to train to the highly anticipated 10 rights of AI. Morning sessions hand you the controls to manage: live asset health, asset rankings, lubrication, and much more. After lunch, return to the general session for 3 more wrap talks. Michael Guns brings view from the field to life. Learn 6 ways to drive performance you can do right now, and industry trends to manage for reliability. Afternoon session topics include predictive analytics that deliver, decision-making on thin data, using failure modes the right way, and much more. At 4 p.m., come to the Expo grand opening. From AI to Spot the Robot, from IoT demos to analytics. This is how the world's best-run companies manage innovation. 10K Alley opens its lanes because managing reliability starts with managing relationships. This is IMC Day 2, managing the details that drive to faster reliability.